This is how we replace the expansion valve and thermistor on a Toyota new Avanza. First, we open the evaporator box carefully because the thermistor is attached directly to the evaporator surface. Removing it slowly helps avoid damaging the sensor or the aluminum fins. Next, we take out the old thermistor and disconnect the expansion valve. This valve controls how much refrigerant enters the evaporator, so if it gets clogged, your AC won't cool properly. We make sure to clean the area before installing the new parts. After that, we install the new expansion valve and thermistor, then reassemble the evaporator box. Once everything's in place, we test the AC system, and it's back to blowing cold air again. Simple steps, but super important for keeping your AC performance perfect. If you found this process interesting, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more real car AC repair videos.